Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Tech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. The Dreame D20 Pro Plus robot vacuum is highlighted as a highly recommended purchase, offering an efficient solution to the time-consuming task of floor cleaning. It is particularly suited for users prioritizing ease of use, high performance, advanced autonomy, and reliable connectivity via a mobile application. Key features and performance. High suction power, delivers up to 13,000 Pascals PA of suction, effectively eliminating dirt, food debris, and pet hair. It features a double, anti-tangle HyperStream brush and an extendable side brush for comprehensive cleaning along edges and in corners. Intelligent cleaning modes, utilizes Vormax suction technology with 5 adjustable levels for optimal performance across different surfaces. The mopping function provides 32 distinct humidity levels, making it ideal for managing both wet and dry messes. Surface adaptability, excels on hard floors, rugs, mats, and carpets. Its ultrasonic detection technology automatically orders the machine to increase suction power when on carpets to capture deeply embedded dust. Advanced navigation, incorporates superior obstacle avoidance capabilities for objects and toys, features a customizable restricted area function, and an anti-fall sensor. It can also effortlessly cross small thresholds up to 20 mm. Extended battery life, equipped with a battery exceeding 5,000 mAh, allowing it to clean a standard-sized home multiple times before needing a recharge. It automatically returns to its self-emptying charging base. Smart connectivity, connects seamlessly via Wi-Fi, enabling the generation of precise home maps. Users can customize cleaning per room through the mobile app and issue hands-free voice commands via Alexa, Siri, or Google Home. The unit weighs less than 4 kilograms for easy transport and includes a range of pre-installed accessories and a user-friendly charging station with an integrated ramp. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.